Hello guys, this is Computer Geek and I'm here with the new video showing you how you can clean your desktop. So let's get started. First what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide my desktop icon. So right click here and go into view and click on show desktop icons. Now what am I going to do is I'm going to hide Cortana button, next task view buttons. So let me show you. Okay, let me show you what's Cortana and task view button. This is task view button and this is Cortana button right here. So I'm going to hide these because you can access without them as well. Now what you have to do is you have to hide your search icon, because when you go and start and typing something, the search icon automatically pops up, so you don't need to have that. It's my personal preference. You can go into another things. Now I'm going to unlock the taskbar. After that I'm going to show address. I think I took address in wrong way. So what I going to do is I'm going to show links. I'm going to hide address. That was my mistake. So I'm going to drag this links to left side of the screen until these icons, quick access icons, comes to the right. Now I'm going to put it into middle as far as I can. Now I'm going to hide links text from here. So I'm going to untick show data. Now what we have to do is log the taskbar, so those two lines get disappeared from your taskbar. Now get yourself your favorite wallpaper. I have downloaded one and I'm going to set this as desktop background. Now you can see my desktop looks more clean and it will make your boot a little faster. Now one thing more that I like personally, it's on your preference. Go into personalize and go into colors. Your must be light because default it comes light. I'm going to select dark. What it will do is when you'll go to any taskbar explorer or anything, it will automatically convert it to black. So I think that's it guys. If you guys like my video, thumbs up.